Yo. What's going on? You don't talk? You just gonna keep with the fingers? What the fuck? What's going on, yo?
Hey there, man.
Please don't do what I think you about to do, bro.
What am I about to do?
Some next shit. I know it's coming, man. I know it was coming. Don't do it. Yo, what's going on? Yo. Me too close to your stomach, dogs. Back up real quick. What kind of thing y'all going with? Don't gonna lower. Don't do it. Don't gonna lower. Oh, God.
Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out.
Yo, what's going on?
Not chilling.
Y'all chill. Why all on this on the scene? Me not understand that. Yo, where you report me for dogs? Well, fuck you then, motherfucker. Shit. Yo.
Okay, Afro, give me Maya Angelou. Period.
Of course, you have to rock the fro, man. What you mean?
Okay, can you, like, calm that down just a little bit?
What the fuck? You just... What's going on?
I just see big lips. Not just trying to say big things, I guess.
What?
Does it?
Oh, we got a girl. Yo.
Hi.
What you doing, man? How your night going?
Nothing much. How about you?
Nothing. You want some D? You know what say I want it. Yeah. I know it's like, alright. Yo, what's going on, man? Yo, I know say I have a mouth, dog. Just talk. Like, unless y'all do some next shit, then me don't want to know it because so one of people just have something else. Yo, what's going on, man? What? Nigga, what? Bro, he just said the most sus shit ever, bro. What's going on, man?
Hello?
Hello?
What's going on, girl?
Girl, you see one girl over here, so?
At time. Don't talk to me like that. What's wrong with you?
What do you mean wrong with me?
Where you from?
New York, I live.
Where you from, though?
Me from the ghetto.
Well, I'm from New York, too. I'm in Harlem.
Oh, you're in the ghetto.
No, never the ghetto. I'm on the east side, actually.
Ghetto, at the ghetto, no matter which part of Harlem you come from. Ghetto. Yes.
What part of New York you from?
Why you want to know?
Hmm?
We're from the nice area. The Queens of the Queens.
Are you stupid? You must be smoking too much fucking ganja. Queens is ghetto.
Yeah, I eat that, my girl. I'm not something no weed. I'm not something no herbs. Don't play yourself. What's wrong with you?
You want your hair braided?
No. I don't want
you
to braid it. I want it out. Just an afro.
Add more time.
Alright, make it add one more time.
No, you're gonna add it again if I say so,
You must be mad. Me let the time run out. You must lick for your head. That funny, don't.
You're so funny with your little accent.
Look at accent. Yo, me hear somebody else in the background now. What them there?
Who you hear?
Me hear somebody else? That me I tell you.
No, you don't hear nobody. It's just me, babe.
Interesting. So them say.
What
go on with life?
What's going on?
Nothing. That's why me ask you how I go on with life.
Why are you so angry? Like, I'm just
Me look angry. Me look angry. Me not angry.
DeAndre, why are you so angry?
Me just attack. What you mean?
One more time. How old are you?
Alright, I gotta add one more time. One more digga time. One more digga time. What happened now?
How old are you?
Me can't tell you that the information.
Oh my god, just tell me.
No.
I'm 24.
Well, that must be nice. Me 3. That funny?
So you're 23?
No, I'm not 23. I'm not 33. Not even 43. Me 3.
Just 3?
Yeah, 3.
Alright.
You understand now? Oh, alright.
So what do you like to do for fun?
Well, me like to live my life. That me like to do, you know, do my own things. Well, how about you?
So like, how do you like quarantine like in New York? Like how was it for you?
What do you mean, how for? Yeah, my girl, you talk to me like someone just moved here.
I'm just asking you a question. It's just a simple question.
Nothing. Me quarantine by staying in my yard. Oh, must see what me I talk to. Any more questions? Any more questions?
DeAndre, you so annoying.
Yeah, call my name like say you know me. What the Ross?
No, because you just so annoying. Like why you gotta act like this?
Act like what?
Like you have this little like, I don't know, like you angry about something, you got an attitude, you stuck up about something, I don't know.
Nah,
What?
nah.
Yeah.
I don't give about nothing, Zen.
I don't know who put the scotch bonnet in your curry, but it wasn't me. So you don't need to get spicy with me.
You try. Better give it credit.
No.
You try.
No, I didn't try nothing. I did.
No, you try.
I did.
You try.
I did.
You never do it. You try. You hear me say? You try. Not do it. Try. Alright? Alright. So suckle yourself. Suckle. Anything
So
else?
are you like one of the girls?
We are talk about.
You.
What do you mean if me and one of the girls?
I don't know, because you got this little like, no, you got a little too much sugar cane in your rum punch.
Look here, man. Yo. Relax yourself. Zane.
No.
Don't make the Afro mistaken. None. Come in and know, see, now you try disrespect bad man. No, you try disrespect bad man. I mean, I like where you're going with.
Why your fingers moving?
Me no know. Oh, the Ross? You laugh like the blasted devil. You say you laugh like the devil.
I don't laugh like a devil. I laugh like the angel, like a holy angel.
Yeah, man, that's all you believe. Anything else?
So what do you like to do for fun? Like, I don't know. Like,
What you want to
to
know
soccer?
for?
Do you like to play football?
What you want to know? That me I try to figure out what you want to know for.
Are you Jamaican or Trinidadian?
Me sound Trinity to you, my girl. You idiot. Don't. Yo.
DeAndre, calm down. Damn.
Don't ever try to disrespect bad man like to talk about man at Trini. No,
Alright, I know you're
dad.
Calm
No,
down.
Jesus. You see, just for that. No, me can't deal with me. I cut you off right now.
No.
Just for that. You come call me Trini. Look, Trinity. But big up Trini people doing it, man. Yeah, man. Look a boy. Got your bed. Why you in a man house? Him man have a hoodie, then him have a headphone, then him have a chain. Him look like say him gonna leave somebody house. How the bombard style?
Sure, no.
Yo.
Are you a dude?
What?
Of course me a dude. What the hell? What can I take? Yo. Him look like y'all?
I come.
No. What's going on, man?
What's up?
What's poppin'?
Me.
You a pop? All I got me not see explode yet.
What?
What?
You say y'all pop, so me not see it explode. What's going on, man?
Watch out.
Alright. Why you talking like that? Relax.
Why?
Relax. Like, what you over there doing, bro? Alright, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed that video. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Gay people are hilarious. Like, this is my first second time coming on here doing that. And yeah, gay people are hilarious. But if you guys enjoyed the video, man, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also most importantly, like up the video. It's your boy DeAndreDingo here, and I'm out.